Hey, what's good, guys? What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be unboxing another device, and yep, and my birthday's coming up on November 7th, so yep, pretty much. I'm gonna go ahead and open the device right here. Oh my, hold on, I'm trying to open it. Alright, so let's unbox it. God. Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to cut this because it was impossible to, do it without showing the address. Go. Let me hold this right here so I don't show my address that I have here. This is just a bunch of a Christmas wrap. It looks like just some wrapper for Christmas. It's not even Christmas yet, but okay. Say goodbye, box. Who needs that box? Let's throw this away. Here we go. Bubble wrap goes on the ground. Let's open the phone up. It's in a plastic bag. And here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Centura, right here. I've been wanting one of these before. SCH-S738C. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Discovered, it's the same as this one, but it's on Cricket. The model number is the same, SCH-R740C. I guess, I don't even know the skin. I don't even know what this says, but I have no idea. I guess this is the ID. I don't even understand that much. Alright, there you go. Let me go ahead and scrape off the sticker that's on the back right here. Try my best to at least scrape a little bit of it off. Let's turn the phone on. Moment of truth. Let's see if it has juice. Nope, it does not. It's dead. I don't know why I like this phone for some reason, but it feels tiny. It is tiny. I don't know. This feels like it's a legendary device I haven't even had, but I've been wanting for a long time. And I finally had it because Warborg Tech had one of these in the video, so I wanted this so bad. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wipe the phone and put it on the charger. So, yeah. Alright, I'm back. Oh, just on time. Oh, it just flickered a little. Alright, let me. Alright, I don't even know what's happening. This phone's acting weird. There we go, let's power it on. I wanna know how it sounds. Oh my god. I'll be right back. I have no idea, but this thing is dead. I want to really hear this start up and shut down. I'm so interested. I'll be right back, guys. I'm not sure what's happening. Alright, guys, I'm back. It showed the Samsung logo, but, I think you guys might have missed it. I will show you guys the Samsung logo, but you guys might have missed it, but it was too fast. So I'll restart the phone. Alright, let's try again. Samsung. Alright. It works. Look at that. So beautiful. Thing got reset. Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. Look at all the ice cream logos. Let's test out the camera. Yep, it's low battery. And yeah, that will be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yep, see you later.